Hi, this is Dave with BoneDryAmmo.com. I'm here to give you a special demonstration on how airtight, watertight our little containers are. So these containers are designed to protect your ammunition from the moisture. They have an integrated molecular sieve. The molecular sieve draws the moisture out of the air, reducing the relative humidity to 1/10 of 1%. I'm just going to show you, I'm putting in some Remington Golden Bullets. And this particular size holds about 75 rounds. I really like this particular size because it's long, and when I put it in my range bag, it sticks up out of the magazine well so I can grasp it and pull it out. So my magazine wells, my range bags, my bug out bag, all that stuff has lots of extra ammo in it, and I just don't have to worry about it. I can just put these containers in there and I know that my ammunition is protected. Now, when I say 1% relative humidity, if you think about it, that's just nuts. That's so dry. The Sahara Desert is about 25% relative humidity. Your house is 35 to 60% relative humidity based on how good your HVAC works, how tight your windows are, your insulation, blah, blah, blah. But I want to show you something very cool. We're going to do a little demonstration. This is a nice dry container, and I got a nice bowl of water. So I know that my ammunition is going to be protected even underwater. So as I drop it in there, and I'm going to roll it around a little bit, be sure all the surface bubbles let go, and then I'm going to show you, there is my BoneDryAmmo.com container with about 75 rounds of .22 long rifle Remington's Golden Bullet, and I know this is absolutely and positively protected. If you don't see bubbles, then you know that there's no water getting in, because if bubbles get out, that means the same volume of water got in, and it will continue to and would damage your ammunition. So I'm just going to let it sit there for a little while and let you guys see that it's just airtight, watertight. Now, one of the cool things is about as the molecular sieve pulls water out of the air that's inside the container, it creates a vacuum, pulling the lid down even harder. And that's because as the sieve desiccates the air, pulling the moisture out, there's less volume of air in there because, there's the sieve has trapped the moisture. So it creates a vacuum, pulling the lid down. Now, I would say that these containers are not really rated for underwater storage. I wouldn't, it's not something I would do. Mostly because I want a quicker, easier access to my ammo. But when we go to gun shows and stuff and we sell this stuff, sell the product, people ask me, can we bury it? And the short answer to can we bury it is yes, you can bury it. So I'm trying to let you see. That's a weird camera angle there, isn't it? But I want to let you see that there's just no air coming out of that container. So this is Dave with BoneDryAmmo.com. I know my ammunition is protected, even underwater. And don't just hoard it. Shoot it.